Oh, they're talking Tesla. Let's listen.
Right. You don't know.
You can't do it.
There's an underperformance of Facebook note that came out today.
You cannot screw with FANG. You did it.
I created FANG, and
done.
I'm staying with FANG.
Got to stick with it.
Staying with FANG.
Just add Tesla in there.
I'm staying with the Eagles.
Does this mean you're positive on Tesla?
Yeah, I've been positive on Tesla since 200.
You have?
Yeah, ever since I drove one. Ever since I drove it.
All right.
Stop.
I sat on the whoopee cushion too, which I thought was really funny.
All right. That is a heck of a chart. Wow. All right. By the way, the opening bell just a few minutes away, and remember.
Okay, I don't know about that one, Mr. Jim. Jim Cramer, the paper-handed weenie baby, Tesla. Okay, wait a second. Hold on. I don't remember this video. I honestly don't remember. So let's just do a quick little click through, because giggles.
And he made, he's declared war on Toyota without even realizing it. And the call date.
So this is April 30th.
We spent a lot of time talking about, panels, whatever.
And your point is, once you take into account the EV rebates, the Bitcoin gain, you don't really like the way the EBIT looks.
No, I don't. You see, but that's involved. That's doing homework.
So what? So when Tesla's down, he doesn't like Tesla because the chart's red, and he says, see, that's what's involved when you do your homework. Now the chart's green, and oh, I've liked it since 200, ever since I drove the car.
I regret that I did the homework because I could have come out here and said it was a great course.
And then in the years before the Tesla rally, look at this.
Sell. This deal is a great way to make a quick buck or two, which is why I advocate trying to get in it. But long term, Tesla is cell block material, and you're going to hear it some Thursday coming up. That's why.
Back when it's IPOing. Tesla is a cult stock.
Cult stock, there's nothing to look at. The people who love the Tesla cars buy the stock. There's nothing to do.
Dude, we literally just heard him say, oh yeah, I've been bullish on it since I drove the car.
It means a battleground stock that I cannot have an edge on. It's the only one, by the way. I mean, I'll tell you to buy Amazon. I have no problem telling you. It's a cult stock, but it's also got a web service business that is worth maybe a huge part of the market cap. But Tesla is just a battleground, and it's great to watch. It's terrible to be involved in. Almost as much as General Motors and Ford combined. That's right. Tesla has an $84.5 billion market cap. GM's at $50 billion. Ford at $37 billion. We hear this griping every time Tesla takes out an important level. I remember the consternation when it grew bigger than Ford, then bigger than GM. Now it's almost the size of the two of them put together. I got to tell you, I'm dumbfounded too. Dumbfounded that Tesla stock hasn't gone even higher. Musk, it turns out, is a great CEO.
It's all freaking over the place. It just depends what the chart is. When the chart, look at this. When Tesla's rallying, Jim Cramer's going, I'm surprised it's not higher. Today, he's like, oh yeah, I've been a bull on the stock ever since it was 200 when I got in the car the first time. But I just showed you like 4 clips of him saying it's a sell after IPO, it's a cult stock, you shouldn't buy it, it's overvalued, it's a sell. Come on, man. It's like the only thing that matters is what the chart is doing. If the chart is up, Jim Cramer loves Tesla and he told you to buy it. If the chart is down, Jim Cramer told you to sell it.